I'm just going to bring you back for just a few seconds here to see the final product. So you can see it right here. I basically primered it, then I painted it to match the car. And really the only way you can even tell anything is that this little strap thing has got some overspray on it from where, you know, I sprayed that too because I actually reattached it. I got impatient. So, I mean, it's done. I ground out the thing like I was telling you guys. And it's all done. So if I didn't tell you about it, where it was, and what it was doing, you probably would never even notice it. So, and then I just had a moth photo bomb list there a second ago. So that's it on this repair, guys. I'm going to put this panel back on and call it a day on this beast as far as the outside goes. And I'll give you like a final overview of that once I get that put back on. Alright, we're back. Magically put this on. So we should be able to see the full effects now of what this is going to look like. I mean, it's actually all put back together, so it's not just like psych put back together. Okay, of course I got this door open over here, so don't look at all that trash in there still. You can see the full effect. Okay, I think it looks pretty sweet. You can tell me what you guys think in the comments. So I'm going to try to get the radio going next. And I'm also going to be putting in, like I said, possibly a backup camera. And then I'm also going to be doing something with these doggone headlights. I'm replacing them with some H4s so I can see when I'm going at night. It'll be amazing. So we'll bring you back for all that stuff. But we're winding down on our restore here. This thing's almost done. Alright, thanks guys. We'll see you guys on the next video.